Of course, the most popular activity is eating, but I hope the many previous weekly Vikings has shown you the many tasks that must be completed before you can sit down and enjoy a meal. It takes many hands to bake tiny flatbreads over an open fire. Chicken soup is cooking in the bowl. Again, cooking takes a lot of people. Utensils were not always used by Vikings, so the chicken meat is peeled off the bones by hand. The recipes used by the Vikings were simple and straightforward, as the ingredients come from their surroundings. This is very evident when you look at the side dishes. Meals are completed using reconstructed utensils. But many tasks require no utensils, such as flatbread batter and shredding herbs. Whipping and churning butter and cheese by hand took some hours. The best part is the meat coming out of the Viking clay oven. Meats have been in there for up to 6 hours. There's usually one beef, one pork, and one lamb. Sometimes we do salmon in the oven. The rustic cooking techniques created an entirely new challenge, as one student wrote in her travel journal. Quote, "It took all afternoon to prepare our meal. I felt a bit irritated that it took so long to prepare to cook the food and it was devoured in minutes." Unquote.